Hi, I'm Jay, the kitchen summoner, and welcome to my chronicles. Today, I'll be showing you how to make egusi pepper soup, which is predominantly eaten by the Bendel state people of Nigeria, that's the Edo&Delta people. Can you like my channel? Give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and let's get down to this easy gorgeous dish. So here, I'll be adding some pureed yellow pepper and some onions, some fish stock, some chicken stock, pepper soup spices. I make mine fresh from home. I don't buy outside. Some cow skin, and I'm going to stir that up, cover and allow to simmer. Now once that's simmered like this, I'm going to be adding my crayfish, some dried peppers, some dry fish, give that a good stir, cover and allow to simmer. This is all about developing flavors, and I think that's the thing about African dishes, is that you develop flavors with it. So I went ahead and added some bouillon cubes. Now I'm adding my cooked chicken. This was where I got the chicken stock from. So for chicken I use for this, I do not add any spices apart from salt, onions, and some bouillon cubes. That's all. So now I'll be adding my blended egusi, which are melon seeds basically, and I'm going to stir that up and cover and allow the egusi to cook as well, and all the flavors should combine. Your kitchen should be smelling of heaven right now. Stir that up and fam, it is ready. This dish is so easy to make. I don't understand why people don't make it, because it's that easy. And then you serve that up. I had mine with starch. Like you guys know, I'm an Orobo, like an Okpe babe, so it's the default that I'll be having this with starch, and it was amazing. So thank you guys for going on this journey with me. Until next time fam, mwah. Ciao.